Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arslan Arshad and you are watching my YouTube channel Layman Learning Center. Today in this video I am going to share with you the list of heads of Pakistani state since 1947. The list begins with the Governor Generals of Pakistan. The Governor General of Pakistan was the resident representative of King George VI in Pakistan from 1947 to 1952 and then Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Pakistan from 1952 until 1956 when Pakistan was proclaimed a republic. The office of Governor General of Pakistan was replaced by the office of President of Pakistan when Pakistan became republic in 1956. The list of Governor Generals of Pakistan begins with the name of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Quaid-e-Azam, who is known as Father of the Nation. He took office on 15 August 1947 and served till 11 September 1948, and his date of birth is 25th September 1876 and he died on 11 September 1948. He belonged to Muslim League Party and he died the same day when his tenure was over. The second name in this list is of Khwaja Nazmuddin, who took office on 14 September 1948 and he served Pakistan till 17 October 1951. He was born in July 19th, 1894 and died on 22 October 1964. He belonged to Muslim League Party. The third name in this list is of Mala Ghulam Muhammad, who took office on 17 October 1951 and served Pakistan till 6 October 1955. He was born on 20 April 1895 and died on 12 September 1956. He belonged to none of the parties. The fourth and the last name in this list is of Major General Skandar Ali Mirza, who took office on 6 October 1955 and served Pakistan till 23rd March 1956. He was born on 13 November 1899 and died on 12 November 1969. He belonged to Republican Party. Here begins the list of presidents of Pakistan. The first name in this list is Major Skandar Mirza, who took office as the President of Pakistan on 23rd March 1956 and he served Pakistan as a President of Pakistan till 27th October 1958. He belonged to Republican Party. He served as the last Governor General of Pakistan and became first president after the 1956 Constitution was promulgated, which established a republic. He was deposed in 1958 by General Ayub Khan, whom Mirza had appointed as the Chief Martial Law Administrator in 1957. The second name in the list of presidents of Pakistan is of General Ayub Khan, Muhammad Ayub Khan, who took office on 27th October 1958 and left office on 25th March 1969. He belonged to military. He was born in 1907 and died in 1974. Ayub took control over the country after the 1958 coup d'etat. He led Pakistan into the 1965 war against India. In 1969, Ayub resigned under pressure from opposition and handed over power to General Ayub Khan. The third name in the list of presidents of Pakistan is of Yahya Khan, who was born in 1917 and died in 1980. He took office on 25th March 1969 and left office on 20th of December 1971. Yahya took office after the resignation of Ayub Khan in 1969. He resigned after Pakistan's defeat to India in the 1971 war. He also belonged to military. The fourth name in the list of presidents of Pakistan is of Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who was born in 1928 and died on 1979. He took office on 20th of December 1971 and left the office on 13th August 1973. The election which placed him on the seat of president but took place on 20th December 1971. Bhutto resigned as president to become the prime minister after the 1973 constitution was promulgated, which established a parliamentary system of government. The next name in the list of president of Pakistan and fifth one is Fazl Ilahi Chaudhry, and the elections were took place on 14th August 1973, and on the same day he took office 14th August 1973 and left office on 16th September 1978. He belonged to the same party as that of Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Pakistan People Party. Chaudhry was the constitutional president whose authority was exercised by Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Chaudhry resigned in 1978 and handed over the presidency to General Zia. Chaudhry was born in 1904 and died in 1982. The next name in this list is Muhammad Ziaul Haq, who was born in 1924 and died in 1988. He took office on 16th September 1978 and left office on 17th August 1988. Zia took de facto control over the country by leading the 1977 coup d'etat. He served as the chief martial law administrator until 1979. He was killed in a plane crash, becoming the only president to die in office. The next name in this list is of Ghulam Ishaq Khan, who was born in 1915 and died in 2006. The election took place on 13 December 1988. He was an independent candidate. He took office in 17th August 1988 and left office in 18 July 1993. Khan took office after the Zia's 1988 death. He attempted to dismiss the Nawaz Sharif government in 1993, but the Supreme Court overturned the president's decision. Khan eventually resigned along with Sharif in an agreement brokered by the armed forces. The next name in this list is of Wasim Sajjad, who was born in 1941. He worked as acting president of Pakistan. He took office on 18th July 1993 and left office on 14th November 1993. Sajjad was chairman of the Senate. The next name in the list of President of Pakistan is of Mr. Farooq Laghari, who was born in 1940 and died in 2010. Election took place on 14th November 1993 and he took office on the same day, 14th November 1993. He left office on 2nd December 1997, he belonged to Pakistan People Party. Lighari was elected president in 1993 after the resignation of Ghulam Ishaq Khan. Afterwards, Lighari clashed with Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and he finally resigned after being forced by the conservatives and persuaded by the armed forces. Next name in this list is again of Wasim Sajjad, who again worked as acting president. He took office on 2nd December 1997 and left office in on 1st January 1998. He belonged to Pakistan Muslim League Party. The next name in this list is of Mr. Rafiq Tadad, who was born in 1929. Election took place on 31st December 1997 and he took office on 1st January 1998. He left office on 20 June 2001. He belonged to Pakistan Muslim League Noon Party. Tadad was the constitutional president whose authority was exercised by Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. Tadad resigned in 2001. The next name in the list of presidents of Pakistan is of Pervez Musharraf, who was born in 1943. He took office on 20th June 2001 and left office on 18th August 2008. He belonged to Pakistan Muslim League Q, which stands for Quaid-e-Azam. Musharraf took de facto control over the country by leading the 1999 Pakistani COP Ditat. He served as the chief executive until 2002. Musharraf resigned the presidency in 2008 to avoid impeachment. The next name in this list is of acting president Muhammad Mia Somru, who was born in 1950. He took office on 18th of August 2008 and left office on 9th September 2008. He belonged to the party Pakistan Muslim League Q Quaid-e-Azam. The next name in this list is of Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, who was born in 1955. He took office on 9th September 2008, whose election took place on 6th September 2008. He left office on 8th September 2013. He belonged to Pakistan People Party. Zardari was elected after Musharraf's resignation in 2008. The passage of the 18th Amendment in 2010 reduced his vast presidential powers to that of a ceremonial figurehead. The next name in this list is of Mr. Mamnoon Hussain, who was born in 1940. He took office on 9th September 2013 and the election took place on 30 July 2013. He left office on September 8, 2018. He belonged to Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz Party. Hussain was elected as the 12th President of Pakistan by a comfortable majority and took office on 9 September 2013. The next and the last name till date is of Dr. Arifur Rahman Alvi, who was born in 1949. He took office on 9th September 2018 and election took place on 4th September 2018. He is still working as the President of Pakistan. He belonged to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Dr. Alvi was elected the 13th President of Pakistan by a comfortable majority and took office on 9th September 2018. Now, if we have a quick review of the list of Presidents of Pakistan from 1947, the first name begins with Major General Iskandar Ali Mirza, 23rd March 1906 to 27th October 1958. The second name, Field Marshal Muhammad Ayub Khan, who took office on 27th October 1958 to 25th March 1969. The third name in this category is of General Agha Muhammad Yahya Khan, who took office on 25th March 1969 to 20th December 1971. The fourth name in this category is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who took office on 20th December 1971 to 13 August 1973. The fifth name in this list is of Fazil Elahi Chaudhry, who took office on 12th August 1973 to 16th September 1978. The sixth name in this category is of General Muhammad Ziaul Haq, who took office on 16th September 1978 and served to 17 August 1988. The seventh name in this category is of Ghulam Ishaq Khan, who took office on 17th August 1988 to 18 July 1993. The eighth name in this category is of Sardar Farooq Ahmad Laghari, who took office on 14th November 1993 and served till 2nd December 1997. Ninth name is in this category is Justice Muhammad Rafiq Tarad, who took office on 1st January 1998 and worked till 20th June 2001. 10th name is of General Pervez Musharraf, who took office on 20th June 2001 and worked till 18th August 2008. 11th name is of Asif Ali Zardari, who took office on 9th September 2008 and worked till 8th September 2013. 12th name is of Mamnoon Hussain, who took office 9th September 2013 to 8th September 2018. And the 13th name in this list is of Dr. Arifur Rahman Alvi, who took office on 9th September 2008 and till working as the President of Pakistan. That's all for the today. Thank you.